Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to prevent the microphone on Instagram PC with the new update. So, let's get started. The first step is to open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, go to the web address and click on View Site Information next to it. Next, you'll want to open the site settings. This is where you can adjust various permissions for your Instagram account. Now, under Permissions, you'll see an option to disable the microphone. Click on this option to prevent Instagram from accessing your microphone on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily prevent Instagram from using your microphone on your PC. This is a great way to protect your privacy and ensure that your personal information remains secure. So, there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can prevent Instagram from accessing your microphone on your PC. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.